The colors that they chose on this shoe is perfect. Like, you really did a good job, Jordan Brand, until you decided to mess around, fool around with the material. Why, bro? Like, what is that? Jesus. What the hell is that? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video. So first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and comment down below what else you guys want to see on the channel, man. I'm back dropping videos. Like, I dropped like 7 videos last week. If y'all ain't checked those out, y'all need to go check those out in the channel down below. And yeah, so today we are back today with another unboxing and review. And we have the Jordan 4 Taupe Haze. I don't know what you want to call it. This shoe overall was very much sought after by everyone, basically, because like Jordan 4 is a new hot thing. If y'all didn't hear me say that last year, y'all should have, you know what I mean? I've been trying to tell y'all Jordan 4 is going to be the next hot thing. That's why I bought so many, you know, Fire Red 4s and all the other 4s, PSG 4s. Like, nobody was buying those, but now everybody want to be on the wave. But 4s is my favorite silhouette, so I was kind of biased anyways. I got the classic joints. Like, white cement 4s are my favorite. So, but this release was pretty crazy because a lot of stores only got 1 or 2 shipments. Like, so like 24 pairs for this like stores. And then the bigger stores in 42nd Street and in Midtown Manhattan, they got like 80 to 100 pairs. But it's a lot harder to get those pairs because the amount of people that live down there. But I was able to secure a pair because big shout out to my man Ash. Yo, he holds it down, bro. That's my bro. And he calls me, he's like, yo, you need a size 9 in the 4s? I was like, yeah, bro, for the, you know, the review I gotta bring it to the people. He watches this video, so if you watching this video, bro, I told you, I'm gonna shout you out, bro. All love. Big shout out to my boy. He got me that size 9. And yeah, let's just hop into the unboxing because your boy overslept for the release like a bozo. Overslept for the Yeezys and the 4s. So alright, the box right here, it comes with this like cement print splatter box in the Jordan 4 box. Never seen this box before. And right here it has the Flight on the top with the Jordan Jumpman logo across. It's cool little switch up for the box. This is actually, I don't think it is the cement print, but it's how the crack on the upper on the 4s look. But we'll hop into that, don't even worry about it. Here's the size tag. It reads Jordan 4 Retro. The colorway is Taupe Haze and Infrared 23, and it is a size 9. Retail on these was $200 plus tax, so in New York it comes out to like $215-ish. And yeah, we was able to get our hands on a pair. So without further ado, let's take a look at the sneakers, man. So it's a flip open box, nothing too crazy. The inside has that infrared color right here with the cement print paper up top. And yeah, let's hop into the shoe. All right, so first look at the sneaker. I do have to say, remarks wise, I love the colorway, the color blocking and everything, but they just didn't execute the sneaker, man. They didn't execute the sneaker. I'm gonna bring you guys a little b-roll of the sneaker right here, and after the b-roll I'm gonna break down the colorway and all that. So let's hop to the b-roll. Boom, and we're back from the b-roll. Hope you guys had a good look at all the details and everything on this sneaker right here. But like I was saying, the colors, the color blocking, the choice of where they put the colors was perfect on this shoe. But it was just so disappointing that the materials that they chose, man, is so disappointing. So with that being said, let's go break down the colorway. So you have that Taupe colorway, or that greenish brownish color right here, across the whole upper of the shoe. The netting is in that same color with the backing being in black. The wings flaps that they have right here is in black. Same thing on the medial side and on the lateral side. The heel has the black heel tab with the green or the Taupe Haze Jumpman. Now the infrared is on here on the Jumpman logo on the tongue with light underneath. They did come with black laces, and there's another hint of infrared on the inside of the tongue right here and also on the bottom of the sneaker. Now, like I said, the materials really messed up the shoe, man. So everything was perfect, from the white or this off-white type of, this is not even white or off-white, it's like a grayish kind of midsole, to the black outsole, to the black, and then the Taupe Haze color. The only thing was the material, man. They implemented this crack material right here, and yeah, that's just so like bad, bro. Like, yo, what were they thinking with this? Oh my goodness, it's so ugly. I feel like, you see that suede right here? If they just had that suede throughout the whole shoe, this shoe would be so amazing. And yeah, basically I covered the materials. You have the suede, right? And then you have the crack suede, basically. That's what it is. Because underneath it is suede. So it's just like they add like a crack patterning to it, which is so like dumb to me. But it is what it is. That material is also on the tongue and on by the heel area going across the sneaker, as y'all can see. Now, as for sizing on Jordan 4s, I would suggest going true to size. I usually go true to size on all my Jordan 4s, so I get a size 9. So if you wear that 9, y'all make sure y'all grab that 9, man. I'm trying to be cute, but if y'all can't grab that right size, y'all could go down half a size. That's just the, you know, key on all Jordans. If you can get your size, get your size. But if you can't, go down half a size. It might fit, man. It might fit. Now, if you go up half a size, you're done. You're done. And as for comfort on Jordan 4s, Jordan 4s are not really that comfortable. They're kind of bulky. So I would say 7 out of 10 just because it has that air unit. But, you know, it's kind of bulky. And yeah, that's just the comfort, man, on retro Jordans. We already know about that though. Retro Jordans, not really comfortable. Since these are my size in a size 9, I'm gonna bring you guys a little on feet look. Just gonna go with some black cargos on top of these. It's pretty simple, so you guys can have a look on them. I personally don't think I'm keeping them, so it's gonna be a quick on feet look for you guys. So let's cut to that, and then we'll come back, wrap things up with the resale prediction and my final opinions, man. So boom. Now, coming back from the on feet, hope you guys enjoyed that little look. We're gonna talk about the resale of this shoe right here. This shoe is going for like a pretty good amount, not gonna lie. Like a retro Jordan, no, not OG, no collabs, but they do kind of say that this kind of looks like the Travis Scott 4s, the Friends and Family pair, which it would if it didn't have the cracking. And that's why resale has been going crazy. There's been this crazy hype over Jordan 4s recently in the past couple of months. Ever since the fire reds and PSGs came out and the metallic purples, there's been like a crazy hype over these. And this shoe right now is selling for like around $350 in the aftermarket. Retail is like $200, so you're making a pretty good amount. It's like a 50% return at least on all sizes. And it's actually doing really well because I think it's pretty limited and a lot of people like this shoe right here. Like I had a lot of people ask me for it, but since it was like so limited, I wasn't able to touch multiple pairs on release day. Hopefully when late shipments and restocks come in, I'll be able to get more. With that being said, now should you sell these now or hold on to them, or should you buy more? I do know a couple people buying this sneaker right now. Shout out to my man Ty. You can hit him up if you're selling this shoe. Ty & Co on Instagram. He's looking to buy like 20-30 pairs because he thinks these are going to skyrocket. And I personally do agree with him, man. I personally do agree with him. I don't want to pay like $350 for this sneaker or $325 for this sneaker, to be honest. Do I think it's gonna go up? Yeah, of course. Like it's a good looking colorway. materials aside, people are gonna go after this sneaker because it looks like a Travis Scott 4. And how high do I think it's gonna go? Probably around like 500. You guys see how metallic purples went up? Those are in like the 400 range. These will be in the 400 range probably like in a month or two. It'll be a lot quicker than the metallic 4s, but it's gonna be so much harder to get these for retail. So that's the only reason why it's a little harder. Will they go up? Yeah, but is buying them worth it right now? I don't really know, you feel me? With the resale of this sneaker being covered, I just want to go over my final opinions, man. Like I said, the colors that they chose on this shoe is perfect. Like, you really did a good job, Jordan Brand, until you decided to mess around, fool around with the material. Why, bro? Like, what is that? Jesus, what the hell is that? And I can't emphasize that enough, because like the suede was so good, and then they just had to add this like cracking. Like, I'm just so disappointed. I've seen pictures of them having taken off the cracking, like, you know, customizers and all that, but it's just not the same because it comes out like a shade lighter. But if you just made it like a shade darker than this, but in regular suede, it would have been the perfect 4, to be honest, because it kind of looks like the Undefeated, and it kind of looked like the Travis Scott 4s. But, you know, of course Jordan Brand had to mess around, tinker with it, but people are loving it. But me, I don't really love it, so I will have to, you know, just pass on these. This pair is probably already sold. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below what are your thoughts on this sneaker right here. And it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, and we out.